guys, it's Sienna, and I hope everybody's doing well, and I hope you're all being safe at this time. And since we're all staying home, I'm deciding to make a baking video. But what we're baking is gonna be so good, trust me. It is called a chocolate trifle. But I will not be baking this chocolate trifle by myself. I have my wonderful helper here.
That would be me. So this is one of our favorite recipe, and this is like one of the easiest. And trust me, it's one of the best. So I hope you guys will enjoy it and you know, have fun baking with us.
Yeah. So without further ado, let's get right to baking.
Video.
So first, you're going to need a package of cake mix, and see, I mean, it may be vanilla, but we're gonna make it chocolate because we don't have chocolate cake mix right now.
We run out, so we have to use the vanilla, but we'll make it chocolate cake.
And then you're also going to need chocolate pudding. We have this plain little tiny packs of it. It's really nice. Then if you want, you can get these little chocolate cookie like topper thingies. Like you put them on top. It makes it really cute and adds a little bit of more like flavor to it. Then you're going to need caramel syrup.
Or chocolate.
Or chocolate, whatever you want. But we chose caramel. Then you're going to need whipped cream. And we have Cool Whip. You can use like any whipped cream that you want. And then you're going to need milk. And canola oil. And of course, chocolate chips.
That you've been eating. And, oh, eggs.
Oh,
don't forget that.
And then you're going to need 3 eggs.
3 eggs,
We already have
okay.
one cracker. We have 2 other ones.
Yes.
And you're going to need a cup and a half cup. So, and of course a measuring cup.
Oh, and
whisk.
whisk. Oh, right there, Beb. Keep going.
Oh, a whisk. And then the last thing you'll need is a bowl, of course, to mix it all up in.
So first, preheat the oven to 350.
So we're gonna go big.
350. It's already set at 350.
then-
So start. Press.
What did I do?
No, press the start, Beb.
Okay.
So bake 350. Yep, and then press start. We're gonna follow make sure the there's nothing
instructions
inside for the cake mix. So again, we always use chocolate cake mix, but because there's nothing in the supermarket right now, we thought, you know, rainbow. So what's the instruction? So what do you need?
You need that. Okay, heat the oven to 350, which we're doing. And then mix, cake mix, oil, eggs in a large bowl. So
Okay. But we'll do the eggs first.
Oh, so crack all the eggs.
Yeah, so the eggs.
We're just gonna put that one in there.
And then crack the other 2. With one hand. Oh, and there's no shell. I just said there's no shell. Not is it?
I see another one. And then...
So whisk it. Or just eat sweet. So that's what we're gonna be doing today.
Yep.
Okay. So what's do the canola oil?
How much?
It says on the top.
Oh, 1.5 cup of canola oil.
Canola oil, yeah. And then instead of water, we like using milk because we just find milk, you know, a bit better. It tastes better, right? Than just plain water. Let's see if you're gonna spill or not.
No, I won't. I'm very good at this. Been baking the past couple of... I spilled it. Right there. I didn't get it on the...
That's right. We just have to clean it up.
Didn't spill that one.
Pretty good.
Getting better. Then we whisk that. Make sure that it's all blended up.
Yeah. Mix it little by little.
Oh,
Here, I'm gonna...
you had it? I'm gonna spill it all.
So while you're... Make sure there's no lumps, because
And then it will be lumpy.
Lumpy.
Oh, it's getting thicker. Okay.
Hold on. We should
I
get
see
it.
the rainbow. Sprinkles.
I did spill. So you cannot use, like, we have to use 2 hands. Oh
I
well.
know.
Right
We're just gonna mix it a bit lighter.
And also have a
So
spatula.
you get it off the edges.
Mm-hmm.
Not right now. I don't need it yet. Wait. Oh, pretty.
Yeah. I wonder if those rainbow will melt, you know?
I don't think they do.
So let us know what you guys are doing to keep yourself busy in this time. Because I know we've been, doing a lot of cleaning. Make sure you clean. I'm going to organize our downstairs later this afternoon. And what else are we doing, Sienna?
I have to clean my room again.
Have no clue. Why do you keep cleaning your room?
It's messy.
It's 75 ml? Just a little bit. You know, we're just gonna, or more than that. That's enough. Half a cup, so 150. We'll do 150, and then, oh yeah, that's fine. And then just a little bit of milk, Bev.
So now, that's fine.
I'm thinking 2 tablespoons. One more, a little bit more. Okay, and then put it in the microwave. Heat it up for like a minute until it's all melted. So our oven is spray it, yeah, so it doesn't stick everywhere. This side too, baby. She's spraying. Okay, so now that's ready. So anytime. Put the milk. Okay, so every time you bake, make sure you clean up. So this is our inside pantry. Oh, we're gonna make this later. I love that. But we're gonna make it with jalapeno. It's so yummy. And then that, all of our baking, and this is all of our snack.
The tiny whisk.
Oh, the tiny, yes, we do have the tiny whisk. And then let's see what's in our fridge. Oh, I'm marinating a lot of fruits and veggies, so you guys should have a lot of fruits and veggies at this time, because you know, to build up your immune system. We love salads, so we always have salads, and we love our fruits. So that's our fridge. And I hope you guys have a lot of food, and because you just never know how long you're gonna be stuck. And if you have Sienna, you know, yeah, baking and eating. But actually, the ones that you bake with the help of
my brother.
No, the other one.
Oh, you.
No.
Oh, Google. Forget about Google. I always gotta give her credit.
Yeah, you gotta give Google credit. Yeah, she put a note on our snickerdoodles. It's like, oh, I baked these snickerdoodles. I should have saved that that note with the help of Google.
Hot.
Of course it is hot, baby.
Chocolate.
Okay, are you adding?
Yeah, because it's all mixed up.
Mm-hmm.
That was really satisfying.
Let me see.
Look at that.
Ooh. Oh, wait.
Oh, you do that.
That's, yeah. See, now it's gonna be, so if you do that, if you cannot find chocolate, what do you call that? Mix. Chocolate cake. We do have one, but it's partial. So, you know, of course we cannot really use it because it's only, you know, there's only a little bit on that one. See?
That just tells you how much you bake.
You know, so it's not full because sometimes, you know, I don't want to use the whole thing, because if I use the whole thing, that means hopefully it turns out. What do you think? Does it taste good?
We haven't tried it yet.
Okay.
Like it's on my forehead. I don't know how, but I feel like it is. I don't know.
Oh, it's sticky.
Yes, it is on my forehead. Okay.
That looks easy. Our pan. You can actually just eat it just like that.
Well, isn't there eggs in it though?
Yes.
I don't want salmonella.
I guess it's different than cookie dough, right?
Yeah, cookie dough. I don't know. Because there's edible cookie dough now. I need the spatula.
Okay, make sure you scrape everything. You know how I do it? Here. You just stab it. Oh, she moved away.
Because I'm wearing this shirt.
Okay, and how about you start doing though, you know? If I say so myself. Wait. Okay. Why am I here? We ended up school pretty much. Hold on. So that one is 33 minutes. So put 33 minutes. No, yep. And then I think that that's 33 seconds, baby.
No, that says hour though.
Okay. Okay, fine. Start. Okay.
Yeah, I was right.
Okay, so.
Oh yeah, I was right. Okay, so we're gonna wait, we'll move these. So now we gotta wait for, of course, the cake which I put in there to start to rise. So we'll see
when it's done.
Make sure that we let it cool because you know you don't want it to be too hot. And what we have to do is we have to cut it in half.
Because we're gonna transfer it to this one.
And then we have to cut it like sideways.
Yeah,
because it's a layer.
It's a layer, yeah. And because I don't want to eat the whole thing, I'm gonna make another one in a tiny container. So that way I can just grab a container and eat it.
Okay, so first I'm just gonna
It's still a little bit warm, so which it's not a big deal if it's kind of messy or it's there you go, because what's gonna happen is, what's gonna happen is when you cut it in half, it's a layer. So there you go. For some reason, not this time, but like I said, it doesn't matter because you know what? Once it's settled, like so make sure you cover the whole thing. It's gonna be, because you won't see it anyways. And so as long as you cover that whole thing,
first we add a layer of pudding.
Pudding. So put the pudding there. Just take two. That's good. Okay, and then the whipped cream. Cool Whip. And again, you can make your own whipped cream. But why go through a lot of, you know, work if you can just buy it, right? It looks like this.
Looks like a marshmallow.
I know it does, doesn't it? Oh, and then next is just sprinkle the toppings. So
chocolate cookie crumb.
yes, you can use like Oreo or chocolate chip,
or just crumbs of any kind you want, like
but this, yeah, or any chocolates. Usually like the Oreo cookies, you just grind it or pound it.
Yeah.
So this just gives it a little crunch.
How much we want?
That's pretty much it. And then drizzle. We're not doing it together, you can do it yourself. This is a caramel, and again, you can use, it's already open. You can use chocolate drizzle, but I just find it, you know, I'm gonna show you. So this is the first layer. Isn't that yummy?
Pretty great.
Yeah.
Okay. And now last layer.
So our last layer would be. So, final layer. See ya. So now you kind of, you know, but leave me some for my little jar.
Of course.
So good.
I dropped it.
See that? I should have bought a brand new one, huh? We always have a lot of this stuff at home, just because we love to do a lot of baking, a lot of everything. So I'm gonna show you close up before. Yeah. Make it pretty, baby.
Trying. It's swirling.
So that is our final product. See, like I said, so it's a layer. I can't really see the layer because it's filled with chocolate goodness. So I hope that you guys like this, and put it in the fridge for, like I said, an hour, or it doesn't matter, just keep it in your fridge. So, but after an hour it should settle all of the layer, so you can eat it after, and pretty much you can leave it in your fridge for quite a bit. So Sienna, we're gonna clean up, and
yeah, and I hope you guys enjoy the cake if you made it. We sure did enjoy making this, and look how good that looks.
I know. Let's see.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah. So see you guys in my next video.